Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable auto wallpaper change in Galaxy A05 device. Guys, I'm talking about the wallpaper of a lock screen. Like as you see, the wallpaper is continuously changing automatically. So how we can switch it off? So all you guys have to do is first of all unlock your screen and then go to settings. Now in settings, we have option of wallpaper and styles. So just click on wallpaper and styles. After that, click to change wallpaper. Now all you guys have to do just scroll down on the wallpaper service. So just tap here and then we have three options: dynamic lock screen, it means changing automatically, Samsung global goals, and the third one is none. So all you guys have to do just click to none and then click to apply. So wallpaper apply to a lock screen now and it will not be changed automatically. So now go back and then let's see. As you see, the wallpaper is not changing now. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.